Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Remove the two fasteners securing the air filter housing. Make sure that the fasteners are fully disengaged before removing the old filter. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF4026 filter into the housing. Remember that driving without an air filter is dangerous, and replacing your filter can improve your gas mileage. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits. Re-engage the fasteners. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.